Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Upgrade your daily routine with luxury walk-in steam showers. Are you looking to take your daily routine up a notch? Then investing in a luxury walk-in steam shower is the perfect way to do that. Not only will you have a relaxing spa-like experience, but you'll also enjoy all the added features of this incredible unit installed in your home. With its sleek design and modern technology, it's no wonder why more people are upgrading their showers with these luxurious models. So if you're ready to take your self-care game to another level, listen on. Benefits of a luxury walk-in steam shower. A luxurious walk-in steam shower is a perfect way to take your daily routine up a notch. Its soothing heat, invigorating steam, and calming aromatherapy scents create an atmosphere that will make even the most stressful days seem more bearable. From improved circulation to reduced congestion and relief from muscle aches and pains, many physical benefits are associated with regular steam showers. The warmth helps loosen tight muscles while increasing blood flow throughout the body, allowing for greater flexibility and mental focus. Steam also works as a natural decongestant by helping clear clogged sinuses due to allergies or colds. Not only does this help reduce unpleasantness, such as headaches caused by blocked airways, but it also improves overall respiratory health. And if you're planning a bathroom remodel, consult a bathroom remodel specialist who can help you incorporate this feature seamlessly into your design. Luxury steam shower design options. When it comes to designing a high-end walk-in steam shower, there are numerous options available. From the type of nozzle and shower head used for steaming water to the tiling materials and other features such as benches or seating areas, all these aspects can be tailored to create an environment that's just right for you. One popular feature of many modern steam showers is their ability to provide chromotherapy, which utilizes different colored lights to stimulate various senses. The effects of this therapy range from calming blue hues that reduce stress levels and enhance relaxation to energizing reds and yellows that increase alertness and focus. Installing a steam shower. Steam showers are considered the most elaborate type of shower in a home. Here are some pointers for installing a steam shower. Determine the location, consider the available space, and decide where you would like to install the new shower. You may need to remove existing bathroom fixtures or create a new space to accommodate the shower. You must also find a place to install the steam shower generator. It's best if it isn't too far from the shower to reduce costs and provide optimal steam performance. Find a contractor specializing in showers. Look for a contractor with experience installing steam showers. Regular showers are the riskiest type of remodeling in the home. Adding the steam component will only increase the risks associated with leaking showers. Choose materials. Steam showers create a lot more steam and humidity in the shower. The type of materials you pick is more important in this environment. As an example, you want to use a grout that includes epoxy. This will ensure it is less likely to crack, leak, or fall apart due to the added heat and steam. Pay attention to the details. Every detail should be considered when designing your dream shower. Each element should be carefully chosen, from the type of shower head to the lighting, to create a luxurious and relaxing atmosphere. Lighting is important in a steam shower due to the reduced visibility due to steam. Steam shower health concerns. While installing a steam shower can be an exciting prospect, it's essential to consider potential health implications before diving in. Those suffering from respiratory conditions such as asthma must take extra precautions when using a steam shower since the high temperature and humidity levels could worsen symptoms. It's also worth noting that individuals with heart problems should consult with their doctor before use, as the extreme heat generated by these showers may put added strain on the cardiovascular system. Safety tips for using a steam shower. Installing a steam shower can be a luxurious addition to your bathroom, but keeping safety in mind is essential. Here are some tips to ensure your safety while using a steam shower. Stick to the recommended time limits for use, typically 15 to 20 minutes. Prolonged exposure can lead to dehydration and heat stroke, so it's important not to overdo it. You can set a timer to help you keep track of time. Avoid vigorous activities inside the steam shower, as the heat can make you lightheaded and increase the risk of injury. This includes exercising or stretching. Remember to ventilate the bathroom outside the shower by opening the windows slightly or using an exhaust fan. This helps regulate the temperature and reduce humidity levels in the rest of the bathroom. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the relaxing benefits of your steam shower while minimizing the risk of harm. Features to look for in a luxury walk-in steam shower. Now that you know the safety tips to remember when using a steam shower, it's time to consider what features you should look for to get the most out of your luxury walk-in steamer. These features can help make your daily cleansing ritual even more enjoyable, allowing you to relax and rejuvenate each day without leaving your bathroom. Power efficiency considerations. Unlocking the power of a high-end walk-in steam shower requires more than just selecting the right features. Ensuring that your steamer will be energy efficient is also essential for comfort and cost-effectiveness. Here are 4 key considerations to keep in mind. Thermostat settings. Regarding thermodynamics, accurate temperature control is paramount. Look for an adjustable thermostat to find the perfect balance between warmth and humidity without wasting electricity or causing unnecessary strain on your system. Automatic shutoff. This feature helps prevent overheating by shutting off when certain parameters are met. Select one with customizable timers and settings based on usage patterns. Installation. Proper installation involving the shower tile, door, glass, walls, and other areas surrounding the steam shower will ensure maximum heat retention while minimizing energy consumption or future failure. Water pressure. The correct water pressure ensures quick steam production using less hot water. Look for a steam machine with adjustable flow rates best suits your needs. Temperature control features. Modern walk-in steam showers offer temperature control features for comfort and cost-effectiveness. Adjustable thermostat settings allow customization of the combination of hot air and moisture for different seasons or specific uses. This maintains a comfortable environment without wasting electricity or putting strain on the system. Some models have an automatic shutoff feature to prevent overheating and save energy consumption. Shower accessories and add-ons are available. After selecting the temperature control features for your walk-in steam shower, it's time to consider additional accessories to enhance your experience. You can choose from a variety of options to customize your shower, including aromatherapy diffusers provide an invigorating scent and may provide health benefits. Towel warmers can be installed directly into the wall outside the steam shower. This lets you leave the shower and dry off with a warm, cozy towel. Built-in speakers offer an immersive audio experience, making every steaming session feel luxurious and relaxing. Why people pick luxury walk-in steam showers. Are you ready to take your home to the next level? Investing in a luxury walk-in steam shower can provide relaxation and health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. You can easily customize your shower experience with many design options and accessories to meet your needs. Did you know that 65% of people who own a walk-in steam shower report feeling more energized after using it? With this statistic alone, it's clear why adding one of these showers is becoming increasingly popular among homeowners worldwide. Upgrade your daily routine with a luxurious walk-in steam shower today. From improved energy levels to better physical health, there are countless reasons why investing in such an amenity will benefit both you and your home. Contact Phoenix Home Remodeling to learn more about our shower installation services and how we can help transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, Check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.